Ki Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma haka Sauterik Unai Lor Arajar Arpusau. Ulayatu ba unsa Leit New Delhi haka kandai terik mentau benai ban Ïakynduh kerpang yau Amit Shah ubadai Menteri jong Sarkar India ubakmi ya katanat kampo yeng na kabentaban pan song Pynroi ya ki Shnong Khapupd bat ban pan Shushu ya ki bor pahara ban yada ya ka Khapupd Meghalaya bat kari Bangladesh. Haka jingya keren bat kelat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ulayatu baka Sarkar kalapan ya ka jingya trailang na kibor sipai BSF bat kibor pulit bakin perking bhai ya ka Khapupd kat baka jinglong jingman hari Bangladesh kampat long kabasngan.
I've already met the Home Minister on this, and in my last meeting I've already mentioned, and I've got a categorical reply and message from him. Nobody will be allowed to enter our borders. I mean, one or two incidents here and there are different issues, but we're not going to see any kind of a formal or a kind of a large-scale immigration or movement of people from Bangladesh coming in. We are hopeful that the situation is now on the improving side, I should say. It's not deteriorating. Still tense, but it is, I should say, slightly more stable compared to what it was initially. We are also seeing the trade normalizing at the border area also. So these are good signs. So I don't expect that we will see any major challenges in the coming days, but we should be alert. We should be careful. I also want to share with you that I'll be going to Delhi for the GST Council meeting, which is on the 9th. During this visit of mine for the GST Council meeting, I will be once again meeting the Honorable Home Minister, and I will be stressing on the need to strengthen and re-sanction and reallot more projects for the border area development. So this is, in fact, we've just finalized the memorandum today. I'm sharing it with you because you asked this question. Details of the memorandum I cannot share. Once I submit it there, I will give a small press release on it. But we are also moving on that line. Because it's not just about sealing the borders, it's about economically strengthening our borders, infrastructures, overall facilities for the people living in the border area. So whatever we've done in the past, I think maybe we need to do a bit more now, keeping the situation in mind and the overall fluid situation that we have out there. So yes, all of these are being taken into consideration, but as I said, I do expect that we'll be able to, the situation will improve. Trade has started in many locations, and we hope that things will start normalizing. Issues in the unfenced borders, I can't remember exact kilometers, but about 40 plus, 50 plus kilometers are there, which is there. We are very much aware about it. In fact, when the situation happened, we had details of series of meetings, including with the BSF and the Army, and the Meghalaya police at their level also, at my level also, at Deputy CM's level also. And special stress was laid on basically point 1250 to 1350. This is the pillars that are there. So 1250 to 1350 was a critical area where we know that, especially from 1250 to I think 1280 or something, where the fencing is still pending. So we're very much aware about it, and we have been in discussion with the BSF, and BSF is on very high alert in those areas, and very good work has been done by BSF. But yes, we are moving towards trying to find out a solution to this, get the local people on board, and for the larger interest in security and safety of our people, try to convince everybody that we need to complete the fencing in the unfenced areas.